data calendar. If you guys ever need to see what's going on. Monday, S&P Global Service PMI final, 6:45. So we might get something there, and at 7 o'clock, SMI Service PMI June, at 7 o'clock. So okay, so we do have some data today. Tuesday, U.S. trade balance, medium impact. Wholesale inventory, 7 o'clock. Consumer credit, medium impact. But FOMC minutes, meeting minutes at 11, so that could have some high impact. Then Thursday is the initial jobless claim, existing home sales. Jobless claim will have high impact. Friday, no major news Friday. So Friday is the only day that's calm. Weird. Usually Friday when it's like there's more action. Monday already, yeah, we'll see. Some data comes out that could cause some volatility. Four more minutes to market open. Let's try to pay attention to XOK and estimation day, Lucas. Let's see what they do. Obviously, the Mag 7 also. Let's see if they don't diverge. If they diverge, then it could like choppy day. If they don't diverge and it's kind of synchronize, then we might have a trend day. If the new people don't know what I'm talking about, XLK is a ETF for technology stocks, and the SMH is a ETF for semiconductor chips stocks. All those represents the Nasdaq 100. So if we see weakness in that, that could be a sign where you want to go short on Nasdaq. But if you see bullish action on that, they might see a sign you want to be long on Nasdaq. When I'm talking about mags, I'm talking about Mag 7, Magnificent 7. That's 7 highest cap total stock in the US. Talking with Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Google, you know, those names. SpaceX is also going to be included soon into it. all the all the big names. Hope you guys all have a good 4th of July. That was something. 250 years. One of the greatest countries in the world. Proud to be American, man. That's all I gotta say. Had a good time with the family, barbecue, drank. It was fun. I know T had a lot of fun too. uh, Went to La La Land. Yeah. You went to SpaceX? Went on a SpaceX expedition, huh? Oh man. Lucas know what he talk. I think Lucas understand that. Uh, all right, market open. I'm on a 5 minute chart. Yeah, man, don't know. Wait for the 5 minute close. Mark the high and low of that. That's going to be our orb. So far, Nvidia under 200. That's bearish for at least. Nvidia itself, the semis, semis. Google bullish open here. Meta bullish open. Apple surge on Thursday. Wow. Let's see if it continue to hold its game. Tesla nice surge up 400. Bullish open there too. Yeah, Nvidia. Wow, wow, wow. It's trying to get positive open. XLK. SMH is only showing that selling off at open. XLK leaning neutral right now. That was a big range. God. All right, SMH a little more positive now. XLK positive now. Google's kind of sold back off. Tesla's selling back off. Apple flat here. Software's, oh no, software's running. IGV software's running good. Strong candle. Look like we're going to sell. No, I don't. I don't think so. Right now, it's looking positive. It's bullish open for the market. You got IGV, XOK, SMH are looking pretty positive. If you're looking for or reversal, maybe that's what something T does. But you gotta wait till that 5 minute close first. See how where the orb stands, where it closed. So if it closed up orb high, you might want to look for orb reversal down to orb low. That's how T plays it. Look at Apple pushing while Apple is positive. Strong today for software ETF IGV. That's good for Nasdaq at least. So far, three of the tech ETFs are doing good, right? XOK, IGV, and SMH. So also DRAM. Yeah, also DRAM. So those things are definitely helping NQ. SPY also positive open, which is ES. Everything looking good. All right, here's the 5 minute orb here. Orb high. We got the orb low. Mm-hmm. Already starting it like a reversal again. I mean, why does it do that so like every time? I don't know. T, look, like right at the close of it, right? You get that at least a bearish candle right away. Every single orb I've noticed so far. Once the 5 minute closes, you get like at least a pullback every time. Every time, no matter if it's down or no, like almost every time. So I'm trying to keep note of that because that could be a good scalping strategy, man. Honestly, I mean, sometimes it goes fully reversal. Sometimes just like a slight pullback. But right at the 5 minute close, you get a pullback. You get a decent point pullback, bro. Every time. Look at that. Even you scout that 15 point down here, that's dude, 15 cons. Just that move alone. That's could end your day already. Just that move alone. If you just short it at the 5 minute close. Look at that. Reversal. Now it's a reversal. Look, that's the reversal. Or reversal right there. 5 minute or high close and bam. Fucking right back down to or below. Dude, too, I'm telling you, man, this shit just happens every day now, it seems like. I don't dare play it yet, but I think I will. So I'm gonna make a one account, at least a practice account, and I'm gonna try that every single day and see what's the hit rate on this freaking orb reversal, man. This thing is looking. It's just like teasing me to play it. I know one day when I play it, I'm gonna lose. That one day I'll try it. It's gonna be bad. Well, yeah, like that's insane. It's almost like the first 5 minutes like a trap. First 5 minutes they want to trap people. Yeah, at the exact 5 minute close, we see IGV pull back. We see XOK build back. We see SMH pull back. Exactly 5 minute close of that. That's why we got that big reversal. Crazy. Not only that, like the Mag 7 selling off too. Only thing bullish today is Apple. Apple's running hot right now so far. Small value gap there. Let's see if we see rejection of that or not. A break under the orb low here. I think we want to go look at short. Maybe target one here. Don't forget we got some data comes out 6:45 and 7 o'clock. Another orb reversal. Reversal off of reversal. Man, market's too crazy, bro. You took the second reversal. Nice. Man, I lost an Asian live too on yesterday. Oh man, some reason, on my demo though, I did great. Actually, I did great, but I went to live, got smacked on the early open of the Asian Tokyo, a little bit of chop and misdirection, but it went to the downside. The shorting was good. Had a good idea, just not enough capital to hold the short. That's all. They liquidate your ass soon. Yeah, that's why 500 is not enough to play with, but you have to get a precision entry, bro. Otherwise, yeah, that drawdown is gonna kill you, and they liquidate your ass hella fast. Yeah, maybe MES instead too. Oh, but MES doesn't move so good. The Asia session takes too long. Choppy open so far. Right back. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, back. Another reversal. Three reversal. Man, 6:45. We have some data comes out. What's up, Brandon? Oh, we're trying to break out of orb high here. Let's see if we can do it. So far, looking with a bullish trend. Okay. Look left here. See what we have. The Asia high. No, that's not Asia high. That's yesterday. Thursday high, possibly. Possibly Thursday high. Rejection, peep high. The Asia high here. Should have marked that earlier. Mm-hmm. QQ is up 1.3. It's positive. Pull back. No, I think they're waiting for some data comes out. Long looks decent here. I'm gonna go long here.
Order filled.
I like that pattern so far. Aim for the Asia high at least. Maybe push up above the Asia high, back to the back a little bit above Asia high. Be nice. I mean long. At 950. My stop. I have a higher stop. 894. My stop. Aim for like a 1.3, almost a 1-on-1. So, because I'm doing 15 cons. And long at 950. Stop. Give me several wide stop. 894. TP that Asia high above it. Give it 30, 0, 22. Right there's a 40. Make it a good number. 240. Here we go. I'm going to trail up a little bit now. Just got some extra move there. Got my stop up. Almost hitting the Asia high here. Let's see if we can break out of that. I'm going to trim top sell 10. Fell kind of tight now. Almost hit my TP here. First TP, Asia high. Asia high. Here we go.
Order filled.
All right, took 10 off there. I'm holding 5 left. So I'm gonna drag this up to break even. If you guys hit Asia high, I would trim some con, trail your break, trail your stops, all that. Once we break, if we can break out of Asia high, let's aim for a full target of 30,040. Some change. See if we can ride momentum here. But that was a good push towards the Asia high. Definitely take some size off. XLK, SMH, they all looking bullish right now. See if we get continuation. We need to make 7 to participate. Google needs to ramp it up. Meta needs to stop selling. Nvidia can push, will help. Man, look at that massive
Order
candle.
filled.
All right, so broke even there. Made some money and then broke even that 5 cons. That's why I said give him some size. Yeah, Asia high already hit for us, so that's good. That's the first target. The original target was that Asia high. So broke even on that last one. Last con. See, we still made money there. I like that right here. Let's see how it closes. I might want to get back in again, but probably do 5 cons instead this time. And then 15. That's a nice strong buy candle.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna hop back in long and I'll have my stop at that candle low. This time I'll aim at back up to 360 and for a little higher. Yeah, almost 1 or 2 here. I do a little one or 2 risk to reward. I'm in at 975 long. Stop's gonna be at 930. Back long because of this candle right here sold off, but then we got a nice pushback right away. It's a nice strong candle too, so hopefully continuation after this. And not a rejection. We also like pushed out the orb high here. With no reason why we're going long. Push out orb high with some displacency. Came down, retest this orb high, and then we got some support that came in. So in other words, it's almost like an orb strategy right here where you want to break out the orb, retest, and long. So that's two confluence to go long. We also have data comes out at another 4 minutes, so be careful. Yeah, SMH, XOK, IGB, dog looking good. Like I said, we need push from Google here. Stop selling off. Leave a little bit more from Meta. Don't pull back. Let's see if we can hold them. And Vita's pulling back hard now. Damn. Come on, Vita, stop that. Well, I'm trying to hold here. Let's see. I'm trying to hold the orb high here. Oh shit. Gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
Oh, we got stopped out. 10 a.m. reversal. Yeah, well, that orb fell. Asia high rejection still. Guys, we stopped out there. I'm still leaning long though, just because of the markets still looking kind of bullish. We're still above the EMAs. We're above the VWAP. Let's see how much of a pullback we get, but I'm still leaning long for now. All right, 7 o'clock came out. Let's see what the data says. Check out TNX, see how that responds to this. TNX is ripping back 4.48. Not good. Nice. Nvidia held that pretty good. SMH held that. It's okay, held that. All right, man. I guess I'll go back in long again.
Order filled.
For 360. I'm back in long again. 975 is my entry. Stop is going to be at 913. Hope we don't chop here though. Hope we chop back to the downside. That'd be nasty, dude. Hope we just get a continuation up. Nasty so far. Pretty choppy so far. But every bullish candle, engulfing candle, we get a big sell off, and then it picks back up. But we're chopping to the downside, which is not good. Um, those engulfing candles just not holding. No continuation. Getting sell off right now. It's not looking good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Better hold here, man. Give us a chance. If not, fuck. We're fucked. Come on, hold here. Mm. Oh, yeah. Almost stopped us out there. Yeesh. Oh my goodness. I mean, that is close. Wow. And then look at that freaking massive candle after that. The market, it is super choppy. Nice push from estimation. We'll see if that holds though. We've been getting those strong candle and then just sells off. So I'm not that excited yet though. Just kind of glad that it held, not stopped me out. Well, that was close. Come on, let's break out this little tiny little freaking bear flag. Break out this tiny little bear flag trend here, man. Break out, break out, break out. There we go. Come on. All right, looking better. All right, so when we test that Asia high again, we need to see a breakout of that Asia high, close above that, and then we'll see continuation. Gonna test that again, Asia high again here soon. Looking good so far.
Order filled.
I'm being more aggressive. I'm gonna add 5 more. I think we break out. Also trailing my stop up. Don't reject here. Don't reject there. Now, if we do, that's bearish. That means we got a double top rejection of the Asia high. Come on, you can do it. Break above it. Break out of it. Nice, strong break out of it. Love it. Lovely. Lovely push there. All right. At that point, you guys can also trim some cons here. Take some size off. We did just broke above it. We don't want to see it break above and fail. So be safe and take some size off. I'm holding this. I wanted to see it close above edge of high though. This is not a good candle close. It did wake up, but not good close. I need to see whole body above it. At this point, you can just keep adjusting your stops or taking some size off. Come on. Better close. Now I need to see this candle close, stay above the Asia high here. Yeah, I can't. I don't want to see any of that happening. I want to see a full body close above it. I'll probably trim 5 cons at 1,000. There we go.
Order filled.
I trim 5 here. Book some profit. Holding 10 left. Need to trail my stops. We're almost at that TP 60. Here we go. We keep going right here. Come on. You can do it. SMH, XOK, all looking pretty bullish still. Making new highs for the day. Nvidia trying to push. Apple, Meta, nice bounce. Google, nice bounce here too also. From low. So it's helping this move here. TNX is falling off a little bit to red. SMH, XOK, MQ, ES, all looking bullish. I'll continue to trail my stop here at the Asia high and I'll find my cons. Just to book some profit if it come back down. So far so good, guys. So far so good. Bit of a pullback on MES though. On SPY. Mag 7 doing decent. Not the best, but it's not the weakest. inching closer to TP. Should have took profit up there. I'm gonna try this one a little tighter because I want to start taking profit at 1,000. Another 1,000. Not whatever.
Order filled.
All right, trim there. I'm gonna trail this up to break even this time. See if I can get my full TP. Holding the last 5 cons here. See if we get the full TP. Good trading session. 3 trades. First one winner, second loser, third one's winner. A big winner here. We broke out of the Asia high. Aim for that 30,060 for a full TP here. Getting close. We're inching there. Come on. Okay, extra 560. So that put me almost about 2K in profit today. Like how this bottom wick's been holding an IMA so far. That's way up. Ooh, why did I move that? As soon as I say that, I'm selling off. All right. That's a big sell candle there. There's a big pullback there. Is it gonna hold the Asia high? It is trying to hold the Asia high. Of that wick, it needs to hold it though. Nice push from Apple. Wow, Apple's making new highs. Is that enough though? Is that enough?
Order
It's
filled.
not enough. All right. I stopped out, but decent move for where we got it to. Very, very good. All out, guys. All out in profit. I'm curious to see how Asia high holds though. Starting to see some bearish pattern forming here on estimation XLK. I don't want to see this pull back, retest this high, and see if there's a rejection above here. I'll take that as a double bottom. I probably want to short it. if it does that. To be in a safe side. So I want to see a retest of that recent high and see if there's a rejection there. Not sold yet on the short, but it's starting to look bearish. Let's also look at things in a higher time frame. Slightly pushed out of the Asia high. You see a continuation here. The 15-minute chart here looks like, let's see, any kind of gap we gotta worry about. It's like 15-minute fair gap here. Guess we can draw that out. We can also draw the 5-minute too. Let's see. If there is also an internal 5-minute fair gap too. Pretty small though. One minute here. Like I said, I want to see rejection. No rejection here. So if this candle fully rejects, and we see the lows here of Asia high and close, I'll probably short around here. Rejects, come down here, closes down here, I'll probably short it. I'll take a stop, a short here, and I'll close my stop above the high. So it will look like this. So it's a tight risk. I'll aim for that orb high test and retest again. See, we getting like a double top kind of pattern here going. See how the candle closes? That's a bearish candle so far. Did not close under though. I need to see a continuation. So far, a nice double top here on the 1 minute. But we need to see a continuation now. So sell candle, another sell candle. Close on the Asia high. Something like that, I'll look to enter short. If not, I'm not going to do it. Oh, yeah, I think Martin, you asked me, I think Thursday or Friday, about stop loss and stuff like that, right? So you can see earlier how my stop loss was. It's never a fixed number. It's never a fixed um, amount. It all depends on my risk to reward sometimes, right? Or how the candle closes. So it could be if I enter here on this bullish candle like earlier, my stop is gonna be wide, right? It has to be really wide. I gotta give myself a chance off that bullish candle. So I'm gonna stop using the bottom here of those wicks so that I put my stops. And that stop could be any amount depending on how much contracts I'm in. So you have to determine that risk. So when you have a wide stop, you might think of going in less size to give yourself a wide stop. In a tighter range, you probably go with a higher size. So if your stop is up here to here, let's say, you can probably go like 3 cons or something like that because it's a tight stop. But when you have like a wide stop, you want to go less size just because you don't want to have a high amount of risk involved. Hope that helps. So people always ask me about that. Where am I put my stop loss and the amount I'm risking? It all varies on entry. There's no fixed amount. If you go with a fixed amount, you're always gonna get stopped out. Oh, I do like that so far right now. That's a rejection. Let's see how it closes though. No, still close above Asia high. So don't like it. Not only that, we're still above 21 EMA. Oh yeah, it's based on a certain structure. Yes, like because uh, my stop was down here when it's obviously making high highs, higher lows, high lows, right? So it's kind of like a lower high, higher low here on my stop. I'm liking this short.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go in short here. I'll have my stop at that double top, and I'm aiming for the orb high retest. So now I'm in short and see my stop. It's at that previous candle double top here. That's the structure stop, right? And now I'm aiming for my target is the orb high at least, or sometimes I will aim for a 1 to 2. So could aim a little lower, but normally I'm aiming for certain pivot levels like orb high or previous day high, something like that as a target. So this short is a riskier short due to the fact that we've been trending up. The trend has not broken yet. Only indication of the short play is this double top here, right? So it's not like a plus setup or anything. It's just looking at the market structure, seeing what I'm seeing. I want to go short here, just take a chance, but we have a tight risk, so I'm only risking $380 right here. 5 cons, and I'm okay with that risk. It was looking good earlier, but now it's closing above the Asia high, so it's not looking good anymore. It was looking really good earlier. Keep retesting this. I'm gonna get out. Sheesh. Keep retesting it. The third test. Hopefully, get a rejection here. Oh,
Order filled.
broke out. All right. Double top fell. It broke out. We're gonna continue. I know. I know. It looked like it looked good, right? Rejection, double top here, and as soon as it fell Asia high, I want to get in, but it just reversed after that. So it's what it is. Like I said, that's why you be a little careful. The trend is still up, but I'll take that anytime. A double top. The risk is small enough where I can risk it. So now we're breaking out that double top. I don't like short anymore. Short came in, fell there, so buyer is still strong. This thing looked like it could push up above, maybe test the 100s to 120. That's the next fair gap for a downside. But yeah, I wouldn't short this right now. No more shorts after that failed. I actually think I'm being done today too, honestly. Nice Monday still up, still positive. So oh, a little bit choppy here though, huh? Google's certainly helping this push though. Google, Meta, Amazon, the Meg 7 participating now, up 0.6%. Let's look at ES doing decent. A bit of a tight little range right here. Look, price consolidation and opposite making new highs for the day. Meta's up 0.8, Apple up 1%. Nvidia's up 0.9%. Tesla up 3% strong. And Google's up 0.6%. SMH up 4%. That's strong for SMH. XLK 2.7%. And IGV 1.2%. So a lot of tech names still up, 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 up. Mag 7 itself is about 0.6%. Only Microsoft is slightly down 1.7%. So off all of Mag 7, Microsoft is down. Let me check the momentum right now. Yeah. Still strongest bullish momentum on the 5 minute. All the pullbacks getting bought up, pullback getting bought up, pullback getting bought up. Right now we're testing that 121 EMA here again. It's been bought up, bought up, bought up a couple of times here. Let's see if we do the same again. Probably maybe last trade for me. Oh. Go rest up. If you guys are comfortable with your profit today, just lock it in. Don't gotta keep trading. Good job, Jeff. There we go. Up 210. You feel good about it. You're done for the day. Nice. Yeah, you don't have to keep trading. It's Monday. It's early. Oh my goodness. Starting to see rejection again now. I want to see you hold here. First time we're closing underneath the 21 EMA, right? First time we're getting it. EMA bearish cross two to the downside. That's the EMA cross right there, signal. Things are pulling back. Order block is gonna hold or what? Here's some minor support earlier. Came back down, held, came back down, held. See if it holds again. Strong wick. Strong wick, it held it again.
Order filled.
Go along here. All right, I have my stop at these prior support. I'm looking for. Let me see if we get push up. One or two. So 114 will be my TP. I'm long at 30,027.25 to be exact. My stop is gonna be at 29,987.5 here. Seeing support here, support here. Saw this wick, golfing candle. Figure I'll take a long. So far, so good. If we can break out for new highs here. Looking good so far. Try to make a new high here. New high of day. Come on. I'm gonna adjust the break even now. I just don't like this pattern so far. So I'll just break even just to be safe. If it rejects here again, we might just really fall back down and stop retracing, testing this support again. I don't want to hold that drawdown, so try out to break even here. Attempting for that third push. Wow, finally got it. Okay, made new highs. Strong one. Push, real push out of it. All right, let's see follow through. Follow through. Come on. Yeah, feel free to take some size off that push right there. We made new highs. It could pull back after that. Yeah, SMH and the XOK were just like choppy here now in the 5 minute. You can see that still bullish, but it's still very tight range up here. That's why I said take profit when that push right there up. Take some profit, take some size off. I already addressed the break even. I'm not taking any size off because I'm trying to hold it all the way to a full TP. If it happens, good. If not, I don't care. I'm still up.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. Stop out, break even. I gave that trade a chance. We got a break up and making new highs, but strong pullback. Yeah, SMH and XOK to do the exact same thing here. Just strong consolidation up top here. As we make new highs, it's just tough, tough. Stop out, break even here for me. But I hope you guys made something, a little bit something there off that. Right. Even 5 cons, that's at least 300-400. Man, tough price action though right here. Very tough. Very tough, guys. Look at that. Nasty. Nasty. About 5 minutes. Nasty. Wicks everywhere. I'm looking to short.
Order filled.
I'm seeing some pullback. SMH, XOK. I think we're starting to line up here. I'll have my wide stop. Probably do a 1-on-1 here. Risk to reward. Price action pretty choppy. It's nice that it held here as a support though. Little troublesome. Yeah, I am short, but it's a little troublesome right here. It's still holding this area here as a support. I want to see it lose that. If I'm wrong pretty fast here though. So not so worry. Want estimation? Need stronger pullback from you and XLK. Yeah, that's not good. Probably gonna be. I'm thinking of exiting soon. If this kind of say engulf that, I'm gonna exit that.
Order filled.
Yeah, I stopped out early because we didn't get a continuation on that. We got an engulfing candle after that. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. And it's holding here. And if anything, I'll look the party to scalp this back long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do 15 con this time. Okay, I'm long at 30.037. Top's gonna be at 29.997. This is a more of a scalp move, 1-to-1. See if we break out again. Tight range, liking how this held support still. Short failed here, got bought up pretty fast. Let's see if it can hold it, continue. Come on, one last push before lunchtime. One last push. Yeah, Lucas, see you tomorrow. I hope you made some money today. Crazy price action for sure. At the end, we're getting a lot of consolidation here on top as market try to make new highs. consolidating like crazy here. I'm getting impatient with this price action now. I think I'm gonna cut this. Yeah,
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
cut that long. I'm getting impatient with that move. Jeez, chop right back down. Wow. My goodness. We're an interesting area, right? It's like it's holding here, but it's also looking like it's trying to break under. It's a very interesting area. In a way, I want to go long here, but it's like scary. Like we'll finally break. There's a lot of support here in a 1 minute. I feel like there's a lot of support here. Just SMH and XLK just looking bearish now. It's tough, tough. Like I wanna go long, but it's like damn, SMH XLK just looking bearish. Look like it's selling off. Makes it tough. Yeah, it makes it really tough. See, I'm selling off here.
Order filled.
I'm just go for the short. It's just looking bearish too. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah. I'm in short at 29.97. Stop is high stop. I will trail this thing down because I'm on 15 cons. As soon as I get the move. I'm gonna trail down now. My stop's at 30. 0.21. Come on. Finally get a full breakdown. Come on. Tight stop though. Yeah, we're getting more of that move. Look at that candle on SMH. Wow. XOK doing the same thing too. Shorting now. It is shorting now. Damn, look at that move. Wow.
Order filled.
I trimmed 10 there. Holding 5, setting break even. You know, let's just completely sell it off. I don't care. Bring it down more. Took size off, but just break even. Oh, nice little. We broke under that support. Let's see if it holds underneath here now. We can plus see some more selling. We just broke out that minor support there. That zone. Tuesday high held.
Order filled.
Yeah, here come more selling. Yeah, let's see if we can come down more, Mindy. Let's see it. Oh, we're testing that rewap here, so I'm gonna
Order filled.
take 5 off there at that retest. Adjusting my stops also. We're right up rewap here on the 1 minute, which is weird, was wrong, man. Anyway, rewap is actually at 29,871. Tops up just some bullshit. Always does that. Yeah, rewap is already down here instead. The 5 minutes more correct. The 1 minute is always wrong for some reason. I don't know why. On Top Step, it's like that. On TradingView itself, it's correct all the time. Nice sell candle. Yeah, estimation is selling off hard. It sells XLK now. Wonder if there's any news. So SpaceX is gonna officially join Nasdaq tomorrow. Just like that. Just like that. Nice pullback here. We're gonna stop out. It's fun. Most likely gonna stop us out now. As allergy early in the morning.
Order filled.
All right, I stopped out. We still made profit there though. Nice strong pullback. Yeah, that was a nice move. Nice move. Nice move. I got about 40 minutes before lunchtime. Retest is 21 EMA here in 1 minute. I might consider short again here. Retest rejection kind of deal.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another 15 scalp here. See rejection here. Retest 21 and reject. Come on.
Order filled.
Damn. Nice strong wick. No long corn tops. I feel you. Hey, Trader Vic's not bad either.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get a pivot zone rejection here. What are tops to you, G? Besides banning you, you don't like that brokerage? Did you dirty again, bro? Fuck. What? Oh, that's weird. Oh, I'm gonna exit this one.
Order filled.
Don't push so far still. All right, I'm gonna be done with the live stream today. Look like I ended up in the red.